TOSHI is becoming one of the most talked about emerging assets in the crypto space, and the reason is simple. The fundamentals, the momentum, and the narrative are all aligned in a way that investors love. While many new tokens rely solely on hype or temporary market cycles, TOSHI is building a stronger thesis, one that makes analysts, retail traders, and long-term crypto users increasingly bullish. There are three major reasons behind this excitement, and each of them points toward the possibility of TOSHI reaching a $500 million market cap sooner than most people expect. Number 1, a strong narrative backed by community momentum. Crypto markets run on two powerful engines, utility and narrative. TOSHI's narrative taps directly into the culture of crypto, community-driven growth, and the rise of ecosystem tokens. The project has gained strong community traction because it represents a new wave of decentralized ownership where people feel involved instead of watching from the sidelines. In today's market, community is not just a bonus, it's a multiplier. When a token develops loyal supporters who continue creating content, sharing updates, and onboarding new users, the market cap begins to rise naturally as demand increases. TOSHI's community-driven structure gives investors confidence that interest won't disappear overnight. This is the same pattern seen in early-stage success stories across the crypto world. Community belief becomes liquidity, and liquidity becomes market cap growth. Because TOSHI is still in a relatively early phase compared to larger ecosystem tokens, the ceiling is much higher. Traders see a genuine opportunity, not a short-term pump, but a developing movement that could sustain value over time. 2, expanding ecosystem use cases that strengthen long-term value. One of the major reasons crypto insiders are bullish on TOSHI is its expanding ecosystem. Tokens that rely solely on hype burn out fast. Tokens that secure real use cases form lasting market value. TOSHI is progressing toward becoming more than just a tradable asset. It's positioning itself as a foundational piece of a broader ecosystem that can attract builders, partners, and liquidity providers. This matters because utility directly boosts market cap. When people need a token for staking, rewards, governance, ecosystem interactions, or platform access, the token transitions from speculation to infrastructure. Investors look at the trajectory. Will this token be used by more people 6 months from now than today? For TOSHI, the answer is increasingly yes. As the ecosystem expands, demand strengthens, supply becomes more constrained, and upward price pressure emerges. Crypto analysts love projects that are building. They love tokens that grow their utility. And TOSHI is aligning itself with exactly that kind of long-term framework. This is why many insiders believe a future valuation of $500 million is realistic once ecosystem adoption reaches a larger audience. Number 3, market conditions favor high-growth emerging tokens. The overall crypto environment is shifting in a way that massively benefits tokens like TOSHI. The market is entering a cycle where liquidity is flowing back into mid-cap and small-cap assets. Bitcoin dominance eventually starts to decline during bullish phases, releasing liquidity into altcoins that show strong narratives, strong communities, and early-stage potential. Historically, this is where the largest market cap explosions come from. TOSHI fits perfectly into this cycle. It's early enough to have room for major growth, but established enough to attract confident buyers. Investors want the next breakout project, and projects capable of hitting 9-figure market caps usually show their potential long before they reach that milestone. Right now, TOSHI is displaying the characteristics insiders watch for: rising engagement, expanding holder count, stronger liquidity, and increasing mentions across social platforms. A move to 500 million market cap does not require it to become one of the top tokens in the world. It simply needs continued adoption, sustained interest, and a maturing ecosystem. With the current trajectory, that target becomes increasingly achievable, especially in a bullish market that rewards innovation and strong community energy. These are the three major reasons why crypto insiders are extremely bullish on TOSHI right now. It has narrative strength, ecosystem growth, and the right market environment to support a major surge in valuation. And as momentum continues building, the possibility of reaching a $500 million market cap is not wishful thinking. It's a realistic outcome backed by fundamentals and market behavior. This is Satoshi Guy, bringing you the insights before the crowd catches on.